There's a special type of bank account that exists. Bank that makes your money absolutely untouchable. What if I told you that all the money that grew was entirely tax-free? It's a rare type of life insurance that most insurance agents won't even sell. This is a rare type of whole life insurance. Number one, it will actually give you a death benefit. But number two, this whole life insurance policy, it's like a bank. And I don't want you to see whole life. I want you to think this is a bank, and it pays out historically 5% plus. But it also was untouchable. They call it borrowing. I can take my money out of my bank account, still have it produce this rate of return. You can pair up with business, you can pair it up with real estate, and most insurance companies won't tell you about this.
What is he talking about? Well, I'm going to show you one example how this policy looks and what it looks like when you borrow against it. This is the one with no loan, and this is the one with the loan. He takes out $200,000. You can see it's collateralized against his death benefit. Once he's done repaying the loan, what do you notice? The cash value and the death benefit are exactly the same. No loss opportunity cost. This is the reason why the wealthy use these policies as a financial tool. I hope that helps. Till next time.